The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is now officially out, following the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung continues to lead in the foldable phone market. The Z Fold 6 is rumored to have some important improvements, including a new hinge design that might get rid of the annoying crease in the display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is Samsung's best phone for 2024, packed with almost everything you can think of. It has 4 rear cameras, a new titanium design, an S Pen stylus, and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. It also comes with lots of Galaxy AI features and 7 years of software updates, making it one of the top Android phones to consider in 2024. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy S24 Ultra have very different designs. The Z Fold 6 is Samsung's latest foldable phone, aiming to improve on previous models with a stronger hinge, lighter weight, and a more square shape. Its screens are wider and more ergonomic, but it still has a noticeable crease in the display. The phone weighs just 239 grams, surprisingly light for its size. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a titanium body with a mostly flat design that curves slightly at the edges for better grip. It stands out with its built-in S Pen stylus, unlike other phones where you typically have to buy it separately. It's also fully waterproof, IP68 certified, unlike the Z Fold 6, which is water-resistant but less protected against dust, IP48 rated. Overall, the Z Fold 6 focuses on refining foldable technology, while the S24 Ultra emphasizes durability and practical features like the S Pen and waterproofing. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch screen inside that can change how smooth it looks from 1 to 120 times per second. The outer screen is 6.3 inches. Even though the inside screen has thicker, ultra-thin glass, there's still a noticeable crease. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a big 6.8-inch screen that shows colors really well and gets very bright. It uses Corning's new Gorilla Glass armor, which is hard to scratch and doesn't reflect light as much as older types of Gorilla Glass. Both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip worldwide. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy S24 Ultra performs incredibly well, especially in graphics. It's even better than Apple's latest chips. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also uses this powerful chip and has options for 12 gigs of RAM and storage ranging from 256 gigs to 1 TB, just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What's interesting about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is it will get software updates for 7 years, just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means it will keep getting new Android features and security updates until the end of the 2020s and a bit beyond. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 uses the same cameras as the Galaxy Z Fold 4, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. There might be software updates to improve how pictures look. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has one of the best camera setups available. It includes a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It doesn't have a true 10x periscope, but the 50-megapixel 5x telephoto takes excellent zoom-in photos. Samsung's foldable phones usually don't focus as much on cameras as their other models, so don't expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to be significantly better at taking pictures than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Still, it should capture excellent photos and videos. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 4,400 mAh battery, the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 4. So its battery life likely won't be much better than those older models, despite the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip being more energy efficient. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a bigger 5,000 mAh battery. It lasts a full day with heavy use but isn't a 2-day phone. In tests, it lasted over 20 hours for web browsing, more than 8 hours for video streaming, and about 6.5 hours for 3D gaming. Overall, its battery life is excellent. For charging, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports up to 25-watt wired charging, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra can charge faster at 45 watt. Both phones have similar speeds for wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy S24 Ultra are Samsung's top phones, but they cater to very different tastes. The Z Fold 6 is all about innovation with its foldable design, appealing to adventurous users who love cutting-edge tech. Meanwhile, the S24 Ultra sticks to traditional smartphone design, attracting those who prefer a familiar style. Both phones are powerful and great for heavy users, but the Z Fold 6 is much more expensive, starting at $1,899. In comparison, the S24 Ultra offers a more practical choice at a lower price. Samsung just released the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and it's got some exciting updates. It has a fresh new design, smarter AI features, and the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, just like the one in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung has made improvements based on feedback from the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This new model is better built and has an IP48 rating, making it the first foldable phone to be both water and dust resistant. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is now available for pre-order, and Samsung is offering great trade-in deals and Galaxy Store credit to encourage you to buy it. But you might be wondering if it's better to get a cheaper or used Galaxy Z Fold 5 instead. What's the difference between the two phones? And is it worth getting the new one if you already have the Z Fold 5? Design and display quality. The foldable phone market has changed a lot since the first Galaxy Fold. Samsung has kept the cover screens tall and narrow, making them easy to use with one hand but not great for typing with two thumbs. Now Samsung has made the Galaxy Z Fold 6 a bit wider with a 22.1:9 external display compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5's 23:9. It's not a regular phone shape, but it feels more comfortable to use. The main screen of the Z Fold 6 has also improved. It has more protective layers and a redesigned hinge, making the crease in the middle less noticeable than on the Z Fold 5. The new shape of the Z Fold 6 with sharp corners gives it a modern look and feels like you have more space to work with. The Z Fold 6 comes in silver shadow, pink, and navy, with exclusive crafted black and white options on Samsung's website. The Z Fold 5 came in cream, phantom black, and light blue with exclusive blue and gray options. In the box of the Z Fold 6, you'll find a USB-C cable and the phone, but no charger or case, just like the Z Fold 5. Both phones have sturdy hinges, but the Z Fold 6 is more durable with an IP48 rating, making it resistant to both water and particles. The Z Fold 5 has an IPX8 rating, meaning it's only water resistant. The Z Fold 6 is slightly thinner when folded, which is nice because foldable phones can be bulky when closed. The screens on both phones are fantastic, with bright colors, deep blacks, and sharp resolutions. They also have dynamic refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz, making everything look smooth. Performance and software. Samsung has been working closely with Qualcomm, and now their flagship Snapdragon chipsets are specially made for Galaxy phones. This means they are a bit faster than the regular Snapdragon chips used in other Android phones. Samsung also uses this partnership to design better cooling systems for their phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 uses last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 made for Galaxy, which is still a very powerful and efficient chip. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy, the same chip found in the Galaxy S24 phones. It's a bit better than the Gen 2 chip, but the Z Fold 5 is still a very capable phone and can handle most tasks with ease. In terms of software, the Z Fold 6 comes with the latest Galaxy AI features in One UI 6.1 mode, including a new image generator that can turn your S Pen sketches into nice drawings. The Z Fold 6 also has a 7-year software update commitment, meaning it will get updates and security patches until 2031. The Z Fold 5, on the other hand, has a promise of 4 Android updates and 5 years of support, so it will stop receiving updates about 3 years earlier than the Z Fold 6. Camera. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Fold 5 have similar camera specs: a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom. On the front, both have a 10-megapixel selfie camera. Inside, they both have a 4-megapixel camera under the display, mainly for video calls. The main difference in camera quality might come from the software. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has the ProVisual engine from the Galaxy S24, offering advanced features like an excellent viewfinder, generative editing, portrait shot editing, and slow-motion video by holding the screen with a finger. Many of these features might also be available on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 through software updates. If there are any real differences in photo quality, it will likely come from how each phone processes photos after you take them. Battery life and charging. There haven't been any changes in the battery for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It still has a 4,400 mAh battery, just like the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The battery life might be a bit different due to the new processor. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 had decent battery life, so this should be fine. Which one should you buy? Some might say the Galaxy Z Fold 6 isn't much different from the Z Fold 5. However, we appreciate the small design improvements and the 7-year software update commitment, which is a big plus for an expensive device like this. Because of these factors, we recommend buying the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But if you find an amazing deal on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, like a retailer clearing out old stock, it's still worth considering. The Z Fold 5 is very fast and powerful. It doesn't have the latest Snapdragon chip with its advanced AI features, but you can probably live without those. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.